First half penalty by Super Eagles striker Cyril Desal gave Nigeria the first half win against the Black Stars of Ghana. The Black Stars came out stronger in the second half and looked the better side, but after Jeremy Okpoko was sent off for the Ghanaians, Nigeria took over. Atlanta's Ademola Lookman got Nigeria second in the 83rd minute from a swift Nigeria counter-attack to make it 2-0. Jordan Ayew scored from the spot for Ghana after a foul by Nigeria defender Brad Osai Samuel to make it 2-1 for Ghana. The question is, do you see Nigeria interim coach and former Super Eagles player Finidi George, do you see him taking Nigeria to the next level? Although they also have a game in hand on Tuesday. But personally, I feel this win will give the players the much confidence they need in subsequent matches. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel. Thank you very much.